Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Learn French with Madame. Today we're going to talk about les vêtements, chapitre 7, vocabulaire 1. So chapter 7, vocab 1, clothing. And so this chapter, we already talked about some articles of clothing. Today in this video, we're going to finish out our articles of clothing, talk about some accessories that you might need, and also we're going to talk about fabrics. And then our last video for this set of vocab, we're going to talk about phrases like I'm wearing this and I wear a size that, et cetera, et cetera. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and start talking about some clothes. So the first thing I want to talk about are les accessoires, accessories. Premier mot de vocabulaire, c'est une casquette. Une casquette. Une casquette is a cap, like a baseball cap. So keep this different because there's another word for just a hat, but une casquette is specifically a baseball cap, the one that has like that brim on the front of the hat. So une casquette is a baseball cap. Okay, notre prochain mot, our next word, c'est un chapeau. Un chapeau is just a regular hat. It doesn't really have that brim. C'est juste un chapeau, it's just a hat. So there's a difference between une casquette and un chapeau. Remember, un chapeau you usually put on with two hands, and une casquette you can put on with one if you're holding on to that brim. Okay, la prochaine mot de vocabulaire, c'est une ceinture. Une ceinture. Go ahead and say this word after me, okay? So we have une ceinture. Excellent. Une ceinture is a belt. Une ceinture, belt. Okay? Notre prochain mot, our next word, c'est une cravate. Une cravate, et ça, c'est une cravate ici. C'est une cravate. So, une cravate is a tie. A tie. Okay? Et puis, a scarf. Now, I wanted to talk about this. There's two different words that we're going to learn for a scarf. There's one that's more used for like winter scarves and more that are practical. And then there's one that we're going to learn for like dressy scarves. So this is going to be the word for our winter scarf. And a winter scarf is une écharpe. Une écharpe. Go ahead and say this word with me. Une écharpe. Très bien. Une écharpe is that winter scarf. Okay, et ça, c'est un foulard. Un foulard is that dressy scarf. Un foulard is a dressy scarf. So you might see people wear like really big bulky scarves, and those would be une écharpe or des écharpes. And then if you see madame in class, I usually wear des foulards, dressy scarves. Okay, et aussi, ça, c'est des lunettes. Des lunettes are glasses, so des lunettes, glasses. Now, we also have a word for sunglasses. So you should remember the word for sun is soleil. So if you want to say sunglasses, you would say des lunettes de soleil. Think of glasses of the sun. Des lunettes de soleil for sunglasses. But these are just regular plain old glasses. Des lunettes. Okay, et ça, c'est des lunettes de soleil. So this is what I was just talking about, des lunettes de soleil, sunglasses. All right, go ahead and say this word with me. We're going to break it down into two words at a time. So we're going to say des lunettes and then de soleil. All right, here we go. Des lunettes de soleil. Très bien, sunglasses. Okay, les tissus, fabrics, les tissus, fabrics. OK, so en premier, on a en coton. C'est facile. En coton, made of cotton. So en coton, made of cotton. Go ahead, répétez en coton. Très bien. OK, et la prochaine, c'est en cuir. En cuir. En cuir is made of leather. OK, répétez en cuir. Très bien. Et ça, c'est en jean. En jean, c'est made of denim or made of jean. So, en jean, c'est facile, made of jean or made of denim. OK? Aussi, ça, c'est en laine. En laine is made of wool. En laine, made of wool. Go ahead, répétez en laine. Très bien. Et Ça, c'est en lin. En lin, c'est made of linen. En lin, made of linen. Mais faites attention, pay attention because this one is easily confused with wool. So we have en laine, which is made of wool, and en lin, which is made of linen. So make sure when you're trying to say wool, you really pronounce that E, that N. So en laine, if you're wanting to say wool, and en lin, if you're wanting to say linen. All right, go ahead and say this one with me. En lin. Très bien. Et ça, c'est en soie. En soie is made of silk. En soie, made of silk. Okay, and stay tuned. That's all I wanted to talk about for today. So our next video, we're going to talk about phrases and how to say like you wear something, how to say something looks good on someone or it doesn't look good on somebody or it's gaudy, etc., etc. Mais c'est la prochaine video, but that's the next video, okay? So c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Si vous avez des questions, envoyez-moi un email, mais c'est tout et à plus.